All right, we're going to talk about the glue pot. There's 3 things that you need to set up to make this run smoothly. First one is the guide plate on the front. So it depends on what you're doing, 45 or whatever. For the sake of the exercise, we're doing straight. Release. Pliers, because this is very hot unless you're doing it when it's cold. Lift it ever so gently above your material. Lock it off. You'll be okay. After that, we got the glue settings. So this glue pot is actually 2 rollers inside it. You've got one adjustment for the front roller, one adjustment for the back roller. Anti-clockwise is less glue. Clockwise is more glue, so just be careful. Once you set it up, that's what it's gonna be. The only time you're gonna have to change the amount of glue you're doing, 99% of the time, is when you change the glue because they vary in viscosity. Come around for me and we'll show them where the glue pot actually sits. Just open up in here, you can see the glue goes in there. Ideally, never fill it up above the fin.